Hi viewers. Welcome to Fitness and Beauty Ideas channel. Beauty is power, confident woman can never say no. Spend time for facial. Today we gonna see the 7 facial methods can give you a good vibes for your skin. Facial at home with 7 beautiful tips. Cleaning and stimulates skin cells, hydrates and nourishes it, thus giving you younger looking and radiant skin. So get ready. Step 1. Cleanse your face. First and foremost, it is fundamental process. Cleanse your face thoroughly to remove dirt from your face, then use an oil-based cleanser or any other facial oil like coconut oil, olive oil or any other oil and gently clean your skin surface. It will help you get rid of every ounce of dirt and give you a clean. And finally use a mild foam cleanser on your face and wash off with lukewarm water. Step 2. Exfoliate your face. Exfoliating skin with a mild scrub helps remove dead skin cells from your skin and it gives polish and skin, making it brighter. Take a small quantity of your face scrub and rub it gently onto face and neck in a circular motion. Don't forget to chin and nose area. Cleanse deeply to remove all the black and white heads removed from the skin. Swash the scrub off with lukewarm water. Step 3. Massage your face upward direction, working towards chin. Massaging your face will increase blood circulation and improve muscle tones, which keeps skin firm and bright. Dampen your palms and take a small amount of face massage cream. Following with upward motion would lift up the skin. Start with the middle of your forehead and work towards temples. Then massage along the sides of your nose and cheeks. Finally massage lips, jawline, neck. Wash your face with water after 15 minutes. Step 4. Take steam. After cleansing, exfoliating and massaging, next step would be steam. It helps the pores to open and makes skin absorbent for the products to follow. Heat is also good for the skin as it makes skin relaxed and moist. This step does wonders for oily and acne-prone skin. If you have more dry skin, skip this method, lean over it and take steam for 5-10 minutes. Cover your head with a towel and to make sure the heat is trapped and skin gets the steam. Take the towel off every now and then if you need air. Step 5. Face mask it. After steaming, face masks get all the impurities out and give its radiance back. Grab your favorite face mask and enjoy some relaxed time while your skin relaxes as well. Just put chilled cucumber slices on your eyes and leave the face mask for 15 minutes before washing it off. Don't leave long hours. Step 6. Get toning your face. Toning is also very essential in facial. Now that your skin has absorbed the nutrients and goodness of face mask, toner would help to close and clean the pores. It also restores the balance of the skin and is essentially beneficial for acne-prone skin as it doesn't let the dirt settle in on the skin. Take a cotton pad and pour a small amount of toner. It shrinks and tightens pores that were open during the steam and leaves skin clean and bright. Gently move the cotton pad all over the face and let it dry. Step 7. Lastly, moisturize the skin. This last step hydrates the skin and helps to retain and sealing in the moisture it lost. Make sure your hands are clean. Get a lightweight moisturizer, apply it all over your face using your fingertips. Gently massage the cream onto face and neck and let it absorb in the skin. If you're performing the facial at night, finish with applying eye cream to nourish the under eye area. Please follow these steps weekly once or twice. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like and comment our channel.